Another night on the couch? Have you been displaced from your bed by someone who snores? Or are you the snorer who may have been asked politely to leave? If so, you're not alone. Snoring is a condition that affects many individuals, and it really, truly disrupts the quality of the snorer's sleep, as well as those that sleep nearby. In addition, the individual who snores doesn't really experience that deep, restful sleep at night due to inadequate oxygen. When an individual snores, the tissues in the back of the throat are not tight, and they actually vibrate. They're loose, and they vibrate when you breathe. Now at Hogan Family Dental, Dr. Eric Hogan, through Nightlase Therapy, can treat that tissue and actually lift and tighten the tissues in the back of the throat. Patients have reported a significant increase in the quality of their sleep, as well as a reduction in their daytime drowsiness and even irritability. We encourage patients that if you're concerned about snoring or someone that you care about snores, encourage them to download an app on their phone called the SnoreLab app. There are a few others as well. But it's great to establish a baseline to identify, do you snore? What is the intensity and frequency of snoring? And if you believe that snoring is a problem or a concern for you or someone you care about, we invite you to give us a call. Initial therapy for this Nightlase Laser Therapy consists of 3 distinct appointments in that initial phase, and then maintenance visits as needed to make sure that those tissues stay elevated and tightened, and that you don't experience that vibration and snoring sound during nighttime breathing. We look forward to your call and want to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching, and I hope tomorrow's night's sleep is a little more restful.